How to navigate YouTube TV with a Samsung remote. Really easy and simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and press the home button on your Samsung remote. You just scroll through your apps and then select, YouTube TV to launch it. Okay, then you want to use the directional pad on your remote to basically browse through the categories like, there's live TV, there's the library, and of course recommendations. You can basically press the center or select button to choose an option. Now, if you want to search for content, okay, to basically search for shows or channels, press the up arrow to highlight the search icon at the top, select it, and go ahead and use the on-screen keyboard to type in your query. And while watching live TV, you can press the up or down arrows to quickly switch between channels. And you can also access the guide by pressing the left arrow to view a full list of channels. And while streaming, you can press the pause or play button to, pause or resume. Okay. And you can also use the left or right arrows to rewind or fast forward during the on-demand content. And if you want to tweak settings, like for example, captions or video quality, you can go ahead and press the down arrow while watching a video to bring up the options menu. Okay. And then you can go ahead and if you want to return to home or exit, just press the return or back button to exit the current menu or return to the home screen. So if you want to fully exit the app, press the home button again and select a different app. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.